Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked: the bond order of each carbon to oxygen bond in this ion is what? What do you understand? Firstly, let's look at what bond order is. Bond order is a measure of the number of chemical bonds between an atom in a molecule. Do you get that? That is what we call bond order. So every compound has a what? Has a bond order. Is that understood? Now we are going to look at a bond order in what? This is polyatomic ion. Now, for you to be able to calculate the bond order in this polyatomic ion, what you are going to do is that I'll give you a simple formula you can use to calculate what? A bond order in what? In polyatomic ion. Now, what do we do? We say bond order is equals to 1 plus number of pi bond in atom over number of sigma bond in what? In atom. This is a formula a simplest formula you can use to calculate what? Bond order in what? Polyatomic ion. Now let us draw this structure to know the number of sigma bond and know the number of what? Pi bond. Pi bond is what? Double bond. While sigma bond is what? Single bond. Now for this ion, we have CO3 2-. It can be expressed that carbon has what? 3 atoms of what? Oxygen. We have oxygen here, we have oxygen here, we have what? Oxygen here. This ion gains 2 electrons. You get that? This ion gains 2 electrons. Gains 2 electrons. Now, what we are going to allocate this electron to this oxygen atom. If you allocate, these are 2 electrons, so we'll get 1 electron here. Now here, this one does not have any electron to carry. We'll put what? Introduce our bond here. Are you following? Now, how many pi bond now? We have 1 pi bond. Double bond is what? A pi bond. We now have what? How many sigma bond? We have 1 sigma bond. We have what? 1 sigma bond, and we have what? 1 sigma bond. Each pi bond contains what? A sigma bond. So how many pi bond? Pi bond is equals to what? Is equals to 1. Sigma bond are how many? Sigma bond is equals to what? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So what? 3. So we now go and substitute into our formula. We now say that here bond order is equals to 1 plus number of pi bond is what? Is 1 over number of sigma bond is what? Is 3. So it's equals to 1 times 3 will give us what? 3 plus 1 give us what? It give us 4. So we have 4 over what? 4 over 3. Do you understand? 4 over 3. So for this 4 over 3, it means that, look at our option set does not carry result. So let us express it in a mixed fraction. So we have what? 1 whole number 1 over what? Over 3. That is to express it, which is equivalent to what? 1.33. So that is the bond order of what? Of this polyatomic ion. Our answer is what? If you understood what I just did, now what is the bond order of this one? SO4 2- NO3-. Find the bond order in this sulfate ion and this what? This nitrate what? Ion. For more of this video, do well to like, share, and comment.